What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Marcos. Please, before we start, hit the subscribe button as I do unboxings of certain tech items that I buy. My channel's new and it's still growing, so we'll have better unboxings soon. So today I picked up the new iPhone 11. I picked up an iPhone 11 for me and my wife. She got the white one, I got the red one. Today we're gonna unbox the red one as this one's mine. And today we're unboxing my new iPhone. I got the red one. I had to get the new iPhone because I had the iPhone 8 Plus, and that's what I was using to record for the channel. But my camera wasn't focusing anymore. I think I dropped it and it stopped working. So today we picked up a new iPhone. So here it goes. Here in the beginning, we see the box. Nice, generic iPhone, typical box from iPhone. Let's unbox the iPhone. So that's the film. Here's the iPhone. The iPhone 11 comes with 2 cameras. Alrighty, so here's the back of the iPhone 11. I chose the red one. It looks sleek. I like the sleek red metal. Here at the bottom, we see the product red, which is, I believe they donate some of the funds from the red iPhones to, I forgot what organization they donated. So, has a bigger screen, full screen. They took away the home button. So it's very sleek. So here's the iPhone, 2 cameras. Fits really good in my hand. I mean, it's a little big, but I think we'll get used to it as I had the 8 Plus before this one. Let's set that down. In the box we get this designed by Apple little sleeve, and I think some disclaimers in there. We get some headphones. The headphones, since the iPhone doesn't have a headphone jack, they're Type C. I mean, they're lightning plug, or iPhone lightning plug port. So no more headphones on iPhone 11, and then a generic charger and USB iPhone lightning cable. So typical iPhone. Usually that's what they have inside the box. So here we have we're in the setup page, and it gives us the feature of Face ID, which before the iPhones had they had a home button, but I'm sure it'll be a lot harder to unlock it now as you have to swipe up. But now with the Face ID, as soon as you look at it, if it has a lock, pattern lock, or display lock, so nobody can get into it, now with your face it will unlock. So that's a pretty cool feature they brought into the iPhone. Alright, so some of the major specs on the screen: it has a 6.1 inch all screen LCD pretty much. So instead of having like more edge, or before they used to have this border around there where the home button would go, that would steal some of the screen size. So 6.1 all screen, pretty much the front's all screen. These are waterproof, water and dust proof. They do have 2 cameras now for ultra wide. The ultra wide 2 cameras, the flash. So 6.1 inch the screen, dual 12 megapixel camera. So it does have a two dual 12 megapixel cameras, and so better recording. So now you can do 4K video recording at 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, and even 60 frames per second. It's a very detailed phone. I mean, it's the latest. It just came out, what, 2019? It's 2020, February 2020 right now. So I'm very excited to check it out. It has a faster processor. I'm hoping the battery life's better, and it only weighs 6.84 ounces, so 194 grams. So side by side, we have, on the left side we have my old 8 Plus. On the right side we have the new iPhone 11. The 8 Plus was slightly bigger, maybe slightly bigger up here, but I think it's more comfortable. The 11's gonna be more comfortable in hand once we get used to it. So the 11 was quite long. Here's the back comparison of my 8 Plus and my 11. The 8 Plus also had 2 cameras built in down here, but these are 12 ultra wide cameras, so for 4K it'll be a lot better. So thank you for watching this video. Like I said, I got a new iPhone today, and I wanted to unbox this to show everybody else the differences between my 8 Plus and my iPhone 11. And thank you very much. Have a good one.